Hail Columbia from the year 1798. Hail Columbia, happy land, hail ye heroes, heaven-born band, who fought and bled in freedom's cause, who fought and bled in freedom's cause, and when the storm of war was gone, enjoyed the peace your valor won. Let independence be your boss, ever mindful what it costs, ever grateful for the prize, let its altar reach the skies. Firm, united, let us be, rallying round our liberty, as a hand of brothers joined, peace and safety we shall find. Immortal patriots, rise once more, defend your rights, defend your shore. Let no rude foe with impious hand, let no rude foe with impious hand invade the shrine where sacred lies of toil and blood the well-earned Christ. Will offering peace sincere and just, in heaven we place a manly trust, that truth and justice may prevail, and every scheme of bondage fail. Firm, united, let us be, rallying round our liberty, as a hand of brothers join, peace and safety we shall find. Sound the trump of fame, let Washington's great name ring through the world with loud applause, ring through the world with loud applause. Let every climb to freedom dear listen with a joyful ear. With equal skill, with steady power, he governs in the fearful hour of horrible guides with ease, the happier time of honest peace. Firm, united, let us be, rallying round our liberty, as a hand of brothers joined, peace and safety we shall find. Behold the chief who now commands, once more to serve his country stands, the rock on which the storm will beat, the rock on which the storm will beat, but armed in virtue, firm and true, his hopes are fixed on heaven and you. When hope was winking in dismay, when gloom obscured Columbia's day, his steady mind from changes free, resolved on death or liberty. Firm, united, let us be, rallying round our liberty, as a hand of brothers join, peace and safety